Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how often you can check your credit score on Credit Karma. Credit Karma provides your VantageScore 3.0 credit scores from two of the three major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. The good news is that you can check your scores as often as you like. Checking your own scores on Credit Karma is considered a soft inquiry and will not hurt your credit. While you can log in daily, Credit Karma refreshes the information from TransUnion and Equifax about once every 7 days. This means that if you check daily, you may not see a change in your score unless new information has been reported to the bureaus. Creditors typically report new information to the credit bureaus once a month, but this can vary. The key takeaway is that you can check your credit score on Credit Karma at any time without a negative impact on your score. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.